Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to download and install VLC Media Player on your computer. First open Google Chrome, then type VLC Media Player and hit enter. Click on the first result, which should be from videoland.org. That's the official VLC website. Once you are on the website, click the orange button that says download VLC. The download should start automatically. After the download is complete, open the setup file. Select your preferred language, then click OK. Now just follow the installation steps. Click Next. Leave everything as default. Then click Next. Click Next. Then click Install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Finally click Finish to launch VLC Media Player. And that's it. VLC Media Player is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.